It's my millionth day as the owner of the Lighthouse. I wonder what'll happen today.
Sir, I got a bill note because you didn't pay, something, but, it's a demolished team today, so.
I don't remember asking for this to be demolished.
Well, it's gonna be demolished.
Wait.
Oh, God.
I'm the
Sir,
owner.
I'm not a professional demolish team, just bear with me here.
Yo, I'm the owner of the Lighthouse. I decide if this place gets demolished or not. And this place is not getting demolished today. You heard me. This place ain't getting demolished. Whoa!